It's Rena's time! Hi everyone, Marina here. It's a bit different because it's in the morning, good morning, and I'm wearing my pajamas, I'm wearing my glasses, no makeup on, but I just wanted to share with you something interesting which happened this week while I was tutoring a boy, and he asked me how to do division question, which is easy. I mean, it's just a 9-year-old, grade 3, grade 4 question. But there's some differences on how he did the division and how I did the division, and I'm going to show you how. Anyway, the method that I grew up with, I think it's called a long division. So let's I'm going to take my green pen here, and let's say I want to divide 600. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, I don't want this pen, I'm going to take the black one. Let's say I'm going to take 658, and I'm going to divide it by 6. So let's very quickly go back to the multiplication. I know it's it's such a primary school thing to do, but 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 21. Is it 24? Marina, fail. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 6 is, let me see, 42. 8 times 6 is 48. 9 times 6 is 54, and 10 times 6 is 60. Wow, I did this so much better. When I was in primary school, I can just tell the answer in a split. I have to think again. Anyway, let's do the division. So the smallest number to 6 which can be divided is 1. So I'll carry this down 0, and I bring it down 5. 5 is smaller than 6, so I'm going to carry the number 8 below. 58, what's the smallest number that I can use from here is 54. So I put a 0 here and put a 9 here, 54, and I carry it down, minus is 4. So I put a point here, put a 0 here. So what's the smallest number from here is 6. Smaller than 40 is 6, which is 36. I put a 6 here and bring it down, 36. And it's still a 4. So as you can see, it's a recurring number. So I'm going to put a 1 here. Okay, now the Italian method is different. This one is the long division. The Italian method, I don't know the name because every time I ask, metodo italiano. So I don't know. I couldn't really search from Google what the exact name for this is. Anyway, how they divide it is like this. So instead of writing the number to be divided on the right hand side, they put the number to be divided on the left hand side. 658, for example, on the left hand side, and they draw a line and they put the divisor on top here. Okay, so this is where it confuses me, because you have to think the opposite way, like Arabic, I don't know. So, but the method, the division is still the same. It's just that you have to think the opposite way. So, smallest number that could be divided by 6 is still 1. I'm going to put a line here. 1. And we carry the number down 5, so this was cancelled already. We carry the number down 5. Can we divide 5 by 6? No, so we carry the number 8 below, which is 58. And as before, which is 0, as before 58, what's smaller than 58 or equals to 58, which is 9? We put a 9 here. And which is 54. 54, so we put a smaller number here, 4. And 0, still the same. 40, what's smaller than 40? Which is 6. 36. I'm guessing because I really haven't really mastered the way, but this is how Card showed me. I have to ask him again. Nevertheless, it's still the same. You still get the same answer. It's just that I'm more used to this method again, but this is how the Italians do it. Something that I really have to get used to. Anyway, I find it really interesting, and I don't know which one is better or which one is easier to do. I just find it very fascinating. Pretty interesting, right? Anyway, if you have any comments or any questions, I'll try to answer them. And anyway, this is Marina from rinas.net. Bye for now.